Hello and welcome to Fluent English Lab, the podcast. My name is Emma, and today we are going to learn something very important. Today's topic is learn how to talk about yourself in English. This is one of the most useful skills in English. Because every time you meet someone new, every time you go to an interview, every time you join a class, or even when you make a new friend, you need to talk about yourself. But many English learners feel nervous. They think, my English is not perfect. I don't know what to say. What if I make a mistake? Let me tell you something very important. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. You need simple English. You need confident English. In this episode, I will teach you step by step how to introduce yourself in a professional and natural way. Everything will be easy. Everything will be beginner-friendly. And you can repeat after me to practice your speaking. Let's start with the most basic question. Question number 1. Tell me about yourself. This question looks simple, but many people don't know how to answer it. They say only one sentence. My name is Ali. I am from India. I am a student. That is okay. But that is not enough. If you want to sound professional, you need structure. So today, I will give you a simple structure. You can follow this structure every time. Step 1, your name. Step 2, where you are from. Step 3, what you do. Step 4, your experience or interests. Step 5, your goal. Let's build this slowly. First, your name. You can say, hello, my name is John. Hi, I'm Sarah. Good morning, my name is David. Very simple. Now repeat this example. Hello, my name is Daniel. Good. Now step 2. Where you are from. You can say, I am from New York. I'm originally from Texas. I come from a small town in California. I was born and raised in Chicago. Listen carefully. I was born and raised in Chicago. That sounds natural and American. Now combine step 1 and step 2. Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm from New York. Very good. Now step 3. What do you do? This is very important. If you are a student, you can say, I am a college student. I'm studying business management. I'm currently in my final year of high school. If you are working, you can say, I work as a sales assistant. I'm a software developer. I work in customer service. I'm currently working at a marketing company. Notice the word currently. It makes your sentence sound more professional. Example. I'm currently working as a graphic designer. Now let's build 3 steps together. Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm from New York. I'm currently studying computer science. Listen again. Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm from New York. I'm currently studying computer science. Simple. Clear. Professional. Now step 4. Talk about your experience or interests. If you are a student, you can say, I'm interested in technology. I enjoy learning about business and marketing. I have a strong interest in finance. I love working on creative projects. If you are working, you can say, I have 2 years of experience in sales. I have been working in this field for 3 years. I specialize in digital marketing. I focus on customer satisfaction. Listen to this full example. Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm from New York. I'm currently studying computer science. I'm very interested in artificial intelligence and new technology. That sounds confident. Now step 5. Your goal. This is what makes your introduction powerful. You can say, "My goal is to become a successful software engineer. I'm looking to improve my skills and gain experience. I want to grow professionally in this field. I'm hoping to build a long-term career in marketing." Listen to the full professional introduction. Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm from New York. I'm currently studying computer science. I'm very interested in artificial intelligence. My goal is to become a skilled software engineer and work on innovative projects. That sounds professional. That sounds clear. That sounds confident. And remember, the sentences are simple. No difficult grammar. No complicated words. Professional English does not mean difficult English. It means clear English. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Talking too much about personal problems. For example, "I hate my job. My boss is very strict. I don't like my classmates." This is not professional. Always stay positive. Instead of saying, "My English is very bad," say, "I'm currently working on improving my English skills." Can you hear the difference? Negative sounds weak. Positive sounds confident. Mistake number 2. Speaking too fast. When you are nervous, you speak very fast. But slow English sounds more confident. Take your time. Breathe. Smile when you speak. Even if the other person cannot see you, your smile changes your voice. Now I want to give you a beginner example. Very simple. "Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Mexico. I'm a high school student. I enjoy learning English and reading books. In the future, I want to become a teacher." This is perfect for beginners. Short sentences. Clear ideas. Good structure. Now a slightly more professional example. Good afternoon. My name is James Carter. I'm originally from Seattle, Washington. I'm currently working as a project coordinator in a technology company. I have over 3 years of experience managing small teams and organizing projects. I'm passionate about leadership and problem solving. My goal is to continue developing my management skills and grow within the company. That sounds strong. In the next part, we will go deeper. I will teach you how to talk about your strengths, your personality, and your achievements, without sounding arrogant. Because confidence is important. But humility is also important. So get ready. Practice this part again. Repeat the examples. Record your voice if possible. In part 1, you learn the basic structure of how to introduce yourself in English. Now we will go deeper. Because in professional situations, people often ask more questions. They may ask, "What are your strengths? How would you describe yourself? What are your achievements? Why should we choose you?" Many English learners feel nervous here. But don't worry. I will give you simple, powerful sentences that you can use with confidence. Let's start with this question. How would you describe yourself? This question is about your personality. But remember something important. Do not just say one word. For example, "I am hardworking. I am friendly. I am honest." These are good words. But they are too short to sound professional. You need to explain a little more. For example, I would describe myself as a hardworking and responsible person. I always try to complete my tasks on time and give my best effort. Can you hear the difference? One sentence is basic. 2 sentences are professional. Here are more examples. I would describe myself as a positive and motivated individual. I enjoy learning new things and improving my skills. Another example. I am a detail-oriented person. I pay attention to small details and like to keep my work organized. Listen carefully to the phrase. Detail-oriented. It is very common in American English. Now repeat this full answer. I would describe myself as a reliable and dedicated person. When I start something, I make sure I finish it successfully. Very good. Now let's talk about strengths. This is very important in interviews. But remember, do not sound arrogant. Do not say, I am the best. Nobody is better than me. That sounds immature. Instead, be confident but humble. For example, one of my strengths is communication. I am comfortable speaking with different types of people. Another example. One of my key strengths is problem solving. When I face a challenge, I stay calm and look for practical solutions. That sounds mature. Here are more strong examples you can use. I am a quick learner and I adapt easily to new environments. I work well both independently and as part of a team. I have strong time management skills and I respect deadlines. Now let's build a professional answer. What are your strengths? You can say, one of my main strengths is my ability to stay organized. I like to plan my work carefully and make sure everything is completed on time. I also communicate clearly with my team to avoid misunderstandings. That is a strong answer. Now let's move to achievements. Many beginners think, I don't have achievements. But that is not true. Achievements are not only big awards. Small successes are also achievements. For students, you can say, I successfully completed a group project where I helped organize the presentation. I improved my English level in the past year through consistent practice. I participated in a school competition and gained valuable experience. For working professionals, you can say, I helped increase sales by improving customer communication. I successfully managed a small project from start to finish. I received positive feedback from my manager for my dedication. Listen to this example. Last year, I worked on a team project where we had a tight deadline. I helped organize the tasks and made sure everyone completed their work on time. As a result, we delivered the project successfully. That sounds professional. Now let's talk about talking about yourself in social situations. Not every introduction is an interview. Sometimes you meet someone at an event, a class, or online. In casual situations, your introduction can be lighter. For example, hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Chicago, but I recently moved to Los Angeles. I work in digital marketing, and in my free time, I enjoy hiking and photography. Notice the balance. Work plus personal interests. This makes you sound human and interesting. Here are some hobbies you can mention. I enjoy reading and learning about personal development. I like watching documentaries and podcasts. I'm interested in fitness and healthy living. I enjoy traveling and exploring new cultures. Now let's build a full professional introduction with personality, strengths, and goals. Good morning. My name is Sarah Thompson. I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm currently working as a customer support specialist in a technology company. I have over 2 years of experience helping clients solve technical issues. I would describe myself as patient, organized, and solution-focused. One of my key strengths is communication, and I always try to understand the customer's needs clearly. In the future, I hope to grow into a leadership position where I can guide and support a team. That is a complete, professional introduction. Clear. Structured. Confident. Now let me give you one more advanced beginner example. Hello, my name is Kevin Lee. I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm currently studying business administration at university. I'm particularly interested in entrepreneurship and marketing strategies. I would describe myself as motivated and goal-oriented. I enjoy working on team projects and sharing ideas with others. My long-term goal is to start my own business and create innovative solutions for everyday problems. That sounds impressive. And remember, these sentences are not difficult. They are simple. The power is in the structure. Now let me give you a small speaking tip. When you talk about yourself, speak clearly. Use short sentences. Avoid very long grammar structures. Focus on pronunciation. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Confidence is not about perfect English. Confidence is about clear communication. If you practice this structure again and again, you will never feel nervous. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," now I want you to practice. Create your own introduction using this formula. Name, location, current role or study, experience or interest, strength, goal. Record your voice. Listen again. Improve a little every day. That is how fluency is built. Step by step. Day by day. You are improving. You are growing. And your English is becoming stronger. Thank you for listening to Fluent English Lab, the podcast. If this episode helped you, please like the video, share it with other English learners, and subscribe to the channel for more slow, clear, and professional English practice. Keep learning. Keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next episode.